guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome. If not, you're welcome back. This is Stella Sylvester's channel, and on this channel I do everything: cooking, lifestyle and beauty. But today we're cooking, so I have on the table a couple of ingredients to make my bush meat. I have a bush meat here. I think it's grass cutter, that's what this one is called. I try to make it as local as possible because if you know, bushmeat is a local dish. So we're going to cook very fast, but I figured I should just do this intro because you might end up not seeing me until when I'm ready to chow. So yeah, let me show you guys the list of ingredients I have here on the table. On table here we have our white rice. This is the rice I will be using to eat with the bushmeat. And here we have our bushmeat. This I got from the freezer because I bought it some days ago. I already washed it, but I'll wash it again. So this is the thigh in case, or the hand in case you're wondering. I'm sure this is grass cutter. This is how it looks like, and this is what I'll be using to prepare this delicious local dish. Here we have our local spices that we will use for this dish. And this is eru, our local nutmeg. This is salt. This is stock cube. This is uda. It's a local spice used for pepper soup, and this is our pepper and onions. I'll be blending this together, and this is the pot we're going to use to make this delicious pepper soup. For the rice, this is what I do to make my rice faster. I already have hot water, so I'll pour the hot water here, wash this rice, pour into this hot water, and everything will be fast. I'll use the hot water to wash out the first part, and yeah, you guys will see what I'm doing anyway. Let me get the hot water. So yeah, this is the rice. I'm going to pour the rice here, add this hot water to wash it. So I'm basically using hot water to wash. So I'll just let this soak a little bit. So basically what I'm doing is just to wash out some excess starch from the rice. This part is optional. Some people don't like to wash. They feel the rice is already parboiled, so there's no point in washing out. But I think this step is very important to reduce the starch quantity. I didn't show you the water color that came out, but it was quite bad. So I just do this and let it run through water, so I don't have to like wash it too much. Water, just enough to cover the rice. I'm going to cover it and let it boil. So now it's time for to prep our pepper soup. So it's going to be a very fast one. I decided to use a smaller pot, so I'm using this pot for the pepper soup, and I'm going to put everything. I'll show you guys what I'm doing now. So this is our bushmeat. I'm going to wash it and put in this pot. This is how the skin looks. So I'm going to blend the pepper and the onion, and I'll be using my blender for that. I'll do that really fast. So I already added some water here, so I'm going to add the pepper and the onion here now, so it blends really fast. So I really don't want the pepper to be very, this pepper is so hot. So the pepper is ready. I don't want it to be very smooth. It can be as rough as you want it. But yeah, I'll just add it to this stuff now. So here we're going to add our stock cubes, some salt, this I'll add, but I'm going to blend this. I'll blend this and add it. I'm not going to add it like this. So I'll get my mortar and pound it. So I'm going to put it here. Okay, just for clarification purposes, if you have a good blender that can blend that stuff, don't suffer like this. Don't go through this stress that I'm going through. Just put in your dry blender and blend it. But yeah, I'm not even ready to risk it because I know my dry blender is not that strong. I'm still looking for another blender. Please, you guys should recommend a blender down in the comment section. So yeah, we are done pounding. I'm going to add it now to the bushmeat. Mix everything together. Guys, literally this is our base. Don't like yours to be very spicy. If you don't want yours to be very spicy, then you try to reduce the number of pepper you put in it, or chili or scotch bonnet. But yeah, if not, it's going to come out like this. So we don't mind. It's pepper soup and it's very early in the morning. We need something spicy. So this is how the mixture is looking, and we're going to put this on fire now. Our rice is already boiling. And we're going to put this here on fire. We're going to cover it. So guys, I just added water. So this is how the food is looking. I added water, so you can add water to the quantity you want. So I'm just going to test it now for salt. It tastes fine, but you can always add. I'll add just a little bit salt. This is the time to add scent leaf. The soup is ready, everything tastes perfect. So I'm just going to take this and show you what I do. So I heard it's an abomination to cut scent leaf with knife, and I'm going to just take out this plate and squeeze this like this. You see? I heard if you cut it with knife, it's not going to come out well, but I doubt that. But this is what I'll do, and we have it. So this is trash. I wish you guys are in my kitchen. This smells so good. Do you see how beautiful it looks? So it's ready, and I'll take it down immediately. This is ready, and I'll put on the gas. Guys, this is what our food is looking like. How do you guys see it?